Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody emailed me wanted to know if they could put their common fonts that they use all the time in a folder. Well, there's good news and bad news. Yes, you can, but you can only do it starting in with X8 and then of course X or 2019 Corel Draw. So we've got our font and we click on the font and here's all our fonts. Now these are our last fonts that we used on top, but then below it's going to be your fonts, all your fonts. I've got 881 fonts. Now I've got a collection and it shows me my fonts in my collection. I just did this, there's nothing particular about it. I've never really done it before. It's a good idea if you use these fonts a lot and you want to go to collection, or if you want to look at all your fonts. And of course, you can always, if you know the name of the font, you can start typing, and there's impact. You know, Arial, all the Arials will come up, AR, I, and then all your Arials will come up. But to put them in that folder, you need to go to your font manager, Corel Font Manager, which is inside your program. You actually have a icon for it that you make. And here's my collection. But here's my fonts. I've got 881. I've got 6 in my collection. So I'm going to go to the fonts. I'm going to just add a couple. This is real simple. And comic, I just saw it. I've already got Cooper in there. Cookie. Let's say I want Cookie. Just highlight it and drag it to your collection. See the little plus sign. Cooper. And just go find your font you normally use. I use this a lot. Put it in your collection. And there's really no way to do this in anything older than X8. And you can actually search your fonts. Engraving, put it in there. Anyway, and now we can go on my fonts and see my collections. Here's all my fonts. Here's my collection. There's that cookie I just put in there. This is pretty cool. Corel keeps getting better and better on stuff like this. And also, I've done a video on this. You can take away the collection, and you can look at ones that have a lot of symbols or all symbols. I use these a lot for clip art. Animals and different things. You can take that away if you want script. Here's all your scripts. But the only way I know how to, unless somebody chimes in, is to make a list of your collection. Would be right here. And you can always hide that. Take that away, and there's your regular fonts. Anyway, hope that answered his question, and maybe if he has X8 or above, it'll help him. Thank you much. Thanks for watching.